What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video, it's time, to upgrade the dinghy here. So we're gonna go take this dinghy, the 2.0, and once we we're gonna drop the ding off at Webb's RV because we're going to upgrade that front right there AC. So they put a 13.5 BTU that doesn't even duct the whole system, only the bedroom. It's the stupidest design ever, and I'm gonna show you once we get to Webb's what I'm talking about. But right now we're gonna head over there, and then while walking, explain to you guys. I gotta say, guys, we're coming down this hill. Literally my foot is just off the brake. I mean, this thing's got me down to almost 30 miles an hour, so I gotta speed it up a little bit. The exhaust brake on this Ram, guys, just works incredible. That's one thing. I mean, if you got a massive load behind there, this thing will stop it no problem. That's it, guys. We have arrived here at Webb's RV. You guys need any service, come to Webb's RV. This place is the best, man. They've been working on my stuff since I've had my Weekend Warrior, and I mean, they're always slam busy here, but they can literally do anything and everything to, you know, whatever toy hauler, motorhome, anything. They're even going to do the leveling jacks. We're actually going to put real leveling jacks on this thing, not, you know, those bars that just come down and don't really work. Alright, guys, they're pulling in the trailer right now. This is why I want to get a forklift, because look how nice it is, you know, moving these things with forklifts. It makes it 10 times easier to maneuver around, and it picks it up. I mean, look at that, like no problem. This thing is awesome. Toyota, is that what I need? Toyota? Ram doesn't make one. Look at that thing, like it's nothing. See, yeah, it's nice. You can lift that part up, you can adjust it so you're not smashing anything. Just like that. Cakes. Just like that, guys. It's that easy. Okay, guys, we have arrived back home. Gotta wash this thing. This thing is filthy, but doing a little change here on the garage. So the reason, well, you see more piping is because we decided to change it up. So I made the turn, figured out I had plenty of room. ¿Qué pasa, YouTube? So we changed it up, and he was done. He said he was done, so we brought the trailer, tested it, figured out, you know, there's a little more room. We can go further back again. So they got some more piping, so we're gonna go back another 8 feet now. So I don't even know how long this thing is gonna be now. We have to measure, but pretty much he's gonna put another hole here, another post up, and then well, we get this thing another 8 feet longer. So we'll see. We should have a lot of room in here, hopefully. And then according to John at Webb's RV, the trailer actually might be done later today. So he said his thing is if he can duct it, where when he pulls that front AC off, he said sometimes there's a duct where they can just put it right in to the rest of them. So pretty much when I turn that front AC on, it will be now cooling the entire toy hauler instead of just that single one trying to cool the toy hauler. That's the front one's going to help it. Also, we're going to get rid of that 13.5 BTU and go 15. So more power, you know, more power, baby, more power. More power is more better. And shlabam, just like that, with the snap of a finger. Pew, the truck is clean. Yeah, I wish I could snap my finger, but she's all clean, done. I gotta say, it's nice and easy to clean this thing with my PureTech system. Speaking of PureTech, I gotta give them a call. You know, these are what's badass about these things, guys. Check it out. This is the last time they replace these things, pretty much. And the lights are still green, by the way. I just have them do them once a year, just because. But I mean, look, here was the last one. When was the last one? 5/14/18. That's when I first got them. And then he came in on 6/27. So we're gonna give him a call and get these things swapped out. They're still good according to the light and according to, you know, the truck. I mean, look, I have not, literally have not put a towel on it. Nothing. I mean, I just literally pulled it in the garage right now, And you can see it's still, I mean, look at the chrome. It's still just, it's amazing. I don't know, the stuff works great, man. PureTech, it's incredible. All right, guys, welcome back. It is now day 2. And according to Webb's RV, Toiler's done. So we're gonna go pick it up, let the rammer warm up real quick. But it's done. They upgraded the AC for me and did some other stuff, but I will, I'll show you what they did. We have arrived, guys. Look at this, is a nice, these voltages are nice. And I mean, at least, you know, they still put the generator up front, but I don't know, I mean, you're sitting a lot higher, but I still don't understand why they keep putting these things up front. Like, come on, guys, figure out a way to put them in the back where we don't sleep. I think the generator's on that side right there. So I'm going to show you guys what they did over here. Just kicking on the generator. So you guys remember the AC unit that was in here was the one where you twist by hand. And also, John, this was not vented, correct?
Correct, non-ducted.
Yeah, or non-ducted. So this was non-ducted. So what they did is they ducted this. So when I kick this one on, it will actually help the living room, because the problem that I have is when I kick just the living room on, it takes forever to cool that area, and at the end of those ports, like I did the earlier video showed you guys, it was like, you know, pissing cold air out. Really nothing was happening. Now how do you even turn this one off?
Same thermostat, just next to the bed.
Oh, nice. Oh, look at that, guys. That's awesome. I don't even have to get out of bed.
Right.
Well, this is perfect.
And then if you want, the same as the other one, if you want to really cool it down in here quick, open this up and it'll blow it all straight down.
Okay. I mainly want to cool, because this room cools quick, I mainly want to cool the living room area, yeah.
So if you look here, if you feel that duct in there, and I'll turn the front air on.
Okay, let's go see this, guys, real quick.
So feel how much air is coming out of there.
Let's see. Yeah, see, there's like nothing coming out of here, barely. Alright, he's going to kick on the front one now. Let's see. If anything, guys, upgrade your AC. I mean, it's just 10 times better than dealing with, you know, the old crap that I had. And well, now I got a 13.5 brand new unit for you guys. Never really used, so I'll show you which unit it is, but I guess might as well get rid of it. Johnson, just get rid of it, sell it. I don't know, you know, what else to do with it. Damn, I want one of those, guys. Look at that thing. Woo! I don't know why, I just want one. Like, imagine that being in your garage. That would just look good in your garage. Well, the ding ding is back there. And I gotta say, man, I'm so happy I did that AC. But yeah, like I said, I got an AC unit for you guys for sale. Don't need it. It's a 13.5. I'll show you once we get out of the truck. But we got some more upgrades we're gonna do, so stay tuned. He just we didn't have time to do all of them just because we need it for this weekend. So kind of, you know, gotta get done what he can only get done, and then we'll go from there. Oh, look at this, guys. This is the hill. This is our toe test hill right now. Might as well do a toe test, shall we? Well, we already know this thing tows amazing, but all right, no biggie. Let's run up the hill and see these temps. You know, we haven't towed the old ding ding in a while. Look at that exhaust brake kicking in. So it's in 5th gear right now. And we're 65, cruising, no biggie. And we'll start to climb right here. This is, I want to say it's 6% grade. I think it says it right here, but we'll get over here. It's in 5th gear. I mean, and it's just pulling away. No biggie. Like, there's no trailer back there. I'd say 1900 RPMs. And that's it, we're cruising. Just like nothing back there. But like I said, guys, any truck you get, man, they all pull so dang good. And we gotta get out of the way here so we don't hit the semi. Excuse me. Bam. Oh yeah. Let's accelerate a little more while we're climbing. There we go. A little more. I mean, this is insane. You can pull this thing 75, 80 miles an hour like no problem. No problemo. Likes the 5th gear. So can't complain about that. EGTs are they're around 1100. That's not bad. What do we at? Load is I think 50, like 6 to 60%. Drive pressure, exhaust are right there. Fuel rail's good. Everything's good. Wow, that was cakes. Alright guys, so I just filled up fuel in the ding ding right now. Let me know if you guys have these attitudes or have had these attitudes. the fuel tank. So it says when you go under it, it's a 40-gallon fuel tank. I mean, it says a sticker on mine. But for some reason, I just filled up again right now. We're still towing her. Mine only takes 25 gallons. I don't get it. So has anybody else had this problem before? Let me know. Mine, for some reason, it caps out at 25 gallons. And the full gauge says it's full, but yeah, when you go under it, it says it's a 40-gallon capacity tank. So, am I missing something here? That's it. We have arrived at home. Home sweet home. Dump the air out. Good to go. Well, there you have it, guys. She's all done. Complete, cleaned, washed her. This thing was filthy. I can't wait to get this thing in the garage, man, and keep it clean, because what's nice is that's it. Now when she's going to stay clean once we give her a nice, good clean. Well, because the problem that I have always, you could see, look at, I cleaned it, and this, like, the dew from the air, it comes, it runs down, and, well, it gets it looking like crap. So we're going to get her in the garage and keep her nice and clean. But now we got to wait for the PureTech guy, because he's going to come to change the, where are those bad boys right there? They have arrived. PureTech, this is the company right here that you guys all want to know about, how I got, you know, my spot-free water, how it makes everything so clean to wash. Right here, this is the company. Give them a call, and my hermano will come and deliver for you. And well, you'll have spot-free water. So if you're wondering also what they are, it's just a, you know, tank. They got the balls or beads, however, you know, it works, and it does its, you know, thing, the reverse osmosis system. And then he just comes, you call him when you need him replaced, and he comes and replaces them for you. But that's their phone number. If you guys want to give him a call, tell him Eddie's Life sent you, and tell him, you know, you're in the detail business, and you'll get some water. Look at that, guys. No more bottles. They're gone. Nothing in the garage. We have moved them to right out here. Well, just because it's going to be a lot easier going from that hose spigot right up there. And it stays in the shade right here. You know, I don't know why I didn't stick him here in the first place. I worried about the sun and being out in the heat, but he even told me even if the sun beats on it, it's fine. It's no big deal. It's better if they're in the shade. So that's why I chose to stick him here, and that's it. Well, there you have it, guys. AC's all done on the trailer. Stay tuned. There will be a lot more upgrades done to that thing. We're going to do probably next some leveling jacks, so it's nice, you know, level when we go places. A lot of things, you know, just stay tuned. And then we're going to test this thing out. Again, I did test it, I will say, with the fridge. Running my fridge in the Ding Ding, and it only lasted, I want to say, about 4 or 5 hours. So a big, massive, well, I don't know, I wouldn't call it big, massive, but a toy hauler fridge, it's not going to last that long. But, you know, we're still testing it, so stay tuned. But that's all I got for you guys. So thank you for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.